Hey folks, Matt from artoftheimage.com. Another package in from B&H Photo. If I'm not mistaken, this is a shooting table. I'll put the links below. You can check it out on B&H, the user reviews, the Q&A and whatnot. I forget what the price on this was, but I will, as again, put the links below. I think it was somewhere around $80. We'll put the links below. You can check that out. And let's get her open here for you. Oh, and by the way, I am shooting this. Should be in 4K with the Panasonic WX970. I did the unboxing a few days ago. So this is in intelligent auto mode. I'm not controlling any manual settings on this. I am doing my audio from my ear hanging mic into my Zoom in my pocket just because I didn't have my batteries charged to use the UWP Sony's directly into the mic input on the camcorder. But this is the camcorder doing everything itself in auto mode. So that's 4K as well. So interesting camcorder, really nice and small. We'll see how the look is here. I shot some of it with the shot some video with it when I was doing the second part when I was wearing the Scotty Vest clothes that we did the initial impressions of the other day. Anyways, let's get this open here. Let's see which end is the better end to open. I'm thinking this one down here. It is a fairly large box. So, what do we got in here? We've got the white. Looks like that's the plastic, the main body of the table. And then we've got the legs, which I believe this is all collapsible. So it's fairly portable if you needed to take it out on the road with you, say you were doing a shoot at a client's or something. Oh, there is something else in here. Oh, there we go. Let's get the box out of the way and we'll pick up what we dropped there. So there we go. Just to be clear, this is the Impact desktop shooting table. And here's the instructions, and they actually are nice enough to give you, it looks, oh, I thought those were Allen keys, but they look like they're part of the assembly. Let's put it together real quick here for you. And you'll see, you get an idea how fast this can be set up. Obviously, once you know how to do it, it can go up a lot faster than me doing this right now, because I just took it out of the box for the first time. But it looks fairly simple here to set up, from what I can see. So we get the legs out of the package here. We'll put that off to the side. And this is basically the frame of it here. And then we're going to want to take out the main table here. Let's see. Oh, that's just taped on there. So let's get the tape off that to start with. All right. So there's our frame. Here is our table. And it looks to me like that's the shiny side. So I think we have a shiny side and a matte finish side. It says to remove the plastic backing from the plexiglass sheet and place it with the glossy side facing up. So let's do what they are saying to do here. So there's the plastic backing. And we are going to want to put this like this. Glossy side facing up. Take out a couple of these nuts that I thought were Allen keys that are actually curved nuts. So we take these two curved nuts, and they have bolts, little bolts on the end here. We will assume the washers go on the top, mostly to protect the glossy surface. So that's one. And two. And then we're supposed to remove these pins here. And put one on there. Okay, so that's one on. We'll come around to the other side here, and we need to get this other one on. It's not really hard to do, it's just a little finicky, really. So we're supposed to bend these hooks under the front edge of this frame, like so. And I guess when we do that for both of them, it should it is supposed to form a lip there. Okay, so there's the table snapped in. And the only thing that we don't have here is the curvature here isn't quite right. There we go. Okay, so all in all, not too bad to set up. So that's the shooting table. So for example, if you wanted to put something on there, we'll take the Nikon D3300 and put it there, and you could see that's the 3300. Even better, let's get the 5500. We'll put it on the table, and we'll come back over here and we'll do a photo of it. I'm just going to stick this in aperture priority mode and take a quick photo. Now bear in mind, I'm not using any special lighting here. This is just window light from behind me. Let's have another photo here. We'll show you what those look like. So there you go. That is the Impact STS-DT desktop shooting table. That's it right here. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments below. We're going to play with this and get some shots with various things. We'll probably run all the Doctor Who characters that we opened the other day through this shooting table just to show you how it works. Do it with window light. We'll do it with some off-camera lighting. We'll do it with maybe even some on-camera lighting to show you the different effects and what you can get using this nice white shooting table and it as a background, show you what it looks like. Thanks for tuning in, folks. We'll be back soon.